Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. Whew, I love saying things. I just got done running from the door to pick up a package. That's what happens. I pick up packages and then I put them here on the internet to amuse you. I've got a bottle of water in preparation for the unboxing of the Keto box for July. Like, comment, subscribe. I have all kinds of content, mostly keto and makeup. And if you've not seen me unbox this before, welcome. I do follow the keto lifestyle and I have lost weight on it and it makes me feel better in general. And this is my very favorite keto subscription box. Let me move this mirror out of the way. I'm not prepared. And this is what it looks like. Oh goodness, there's so much stuff in here. It's so heavy. Let me see if there's a card. There's usually a card. Where's my card? There's no card today. Usually there's a card that has like little discounts on it. That makes me sad, but it's okay. I'll be fine. Don't worry. I'm going to pick up the biggest, heaviest thing in here, and it is Picnic Vegan Creamer. It is dairy-free, plant-based, MCT oil, 0 sugar, 0 carbs. And this is full size. And it's obviously non-dairy, and it's made with coconut cream and MCT oil. And if you're not aware, MCT oil is pretty much just coconut oil. So, 13 servings per container, and there's 40 calories in this. So I'm happy to try this. I like to drink cold iced coffee, and that will be delicious in it. So this is awesome. And I'm going to try, I'm not going to take a sip of creamer. I'm sorry. But I will take taste of the rest of the things in the box unless it's super spicy, and then I won't. And I got this water. Cleanse my palate. And the first thing on top, I've had these kind of chips before. They're Quavos. They're made with egg whites, and this flavor is dill pickle, and I like dill pickles. Let's see how they taste. Quavos are pretty tasty chips. You wouldn't think like a chip made of egg whites would be tasty. Ooh, it smells just like a dill pickle. Let me see if I can get a big chip. All right, here we go. And this is what a chip looks like. It looks kind of like, just like a little cracker, and it's got lots of seasoning on it. Mmm, that's really good. Louie, get off the table. You demon child. So those are a thumbs up. And let's see, 8 carbs minus 4 grams of fiber. So there's 4 carbs in this bag. Louie, go away. He's up on the table. He's so crazy. I definitely need to cleanse my palate after dill pickle chips. And this is from Keto Farms, high fat, low carb, Keto Snacks. They're maple candied pecans with 1 net carb per package. And to go from pickles to candied pecans, we'll see how that goes. Oh, they smell nice and mapley. And they're crusted just like a regular candied pecan. Mmm, that's really good. It tastes just like what I remember candied pecans tasting like. This is excellent. I would order this. I would definitely order this. I've got lots more in here. I don't usually do the beef stick, so, and this is salt and pepper pork stick. It's a pork stick. I don't like eating meat sticks. So I'll give that to Sweet Rome. Next up is Grapow Peanut Butter Cup. Let me This is what it looks like. It's very dark packaging. Serving size 2. An ounce is a serving. So it doesn't give me any idea of what it really is, so. Why didn't I just use my scissors? Because they're right here on my magic. I got Louie and Jesse on the table. Get down! What would it be a video for me if I didn't have cats doing something? I think we're getting a new kitten. We just have to, I've applied for one kitten that I'm in love with. But just gotta wait and see. And it's all chunkied up. It just tastes like a crushed up peanut butter cup. It's really good. That's delicious. Grapow is good. All right, let's see what else. We've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more things still. This box, if I didn't mention, is $40, and you get a plethora of snacks, and you always get full-size things like the coffee creamer. Sometimes you get other drinks, some teas. Sometimes you get baked mixes. And this is a Fat Snacks cookie. And Fat Snacks cookies, they're just okay. But they changed their packaging. And I'm going to see if they taste any different. Oh, it's all broken up. But they are a cookie with chocolate chips. And they're not very sturdy. So this is what it's about to fall apart. It's got a really strong erythritol flavor for these. And not many chocolate chips. These are okay if it's all you can find. They're about a million more better cookies than Fat Snacks. But that was tasty. I have really good vanilla aftertaste from that. Oh, here's a Keto bar and sea salt and caramel. And Rome often gets to sample these, and I'm glad I haven't had lunch yet. All these bites is about to be lunch. And it just looks like a dry bar. Very crumbly. I get a faint taste of caramel, a little bit of coconut flavor. It's not bad, but it's not very satisfying. I still have so much more in here. Now I have a Dang bar. Now I often get bags of Dang coconut, and it's either mango flavored or it's just salted coconut and it's dried and shaved. And this is a Dang bar, and I'm very interested in tasting this. And I love lemon. It's lemon flavor. Oh, my nose is running. And this looks very moist. Very lemony. Really chewy. It's kind of got a grit to it. It's okay. It's real gritty. Oh, The next thing I've got 2 of, and this is from Keto Logic. It's a Keto Meal, and it is, it says to replace 1 meal with Keto Logic Keto Meal, and I've got 2 of these of the same kind. And it says to eat 2 low-carb meals and drink 1 to 2 servings of Keto Logic, and then get moving. And it is anchored in coconut oil and medium chain triglycerides, MCTs, which the body converts to ketones. Ketones are superior fuel that are efficiently used by muscles in the brain, generating more energy per unit of oxygen. Consume more than carbs or protein. All right, so I got 2 little meals things here, and then so that means I've got 1 thing left. Oh, it's Monk Pack. I just ordered a bunch of Monk Pack snacks. I love Monk Pack, and this is a peanut butter keto granola bar, and I just ordered a variety pack of their granola bars. I love their nut and seed bars a lot, so I'm very excited to get a taste of this. It's coming this weekend from Amazon, but everything I've tried from Monk Pack I've really enjoyed. And it looks like a regular granola bar, a little sticky looking. It's really good. It gives you that good granola feeling, like a good chewy granola bar. That's good. I'm not big on peanut butter granola bars, but this was really good. So to recap, we got 2 of these drink mixes. We got 2 Fat Snacks cookies. We got these maple candied pecans, which are delicious. It made me feel like I was eating just a regular maple candied pecan. We got this weird dang bar, which I don't like. I'm going to just throw that away. And Rome doesn't like lemon, so he wouldn't want to eat it. This grapau was very delicious. And usually it comes with a card that tells you all about everything. This silk of caramel bar, I'll get it to Rome because he loves caramel. He might like it better than me. The Dill huevos chips. And the big carton of creamer, which I'm happy to try a vegan creamer. And the meat stick, and a meat stick. So I feel like I got a great variety of things for $40. I just subscribed for 6 months in advance, and so it breaks it down to like $35. And they've got a code right now to get 10% off a month-to-month subscription. But I really love this box. The keto box always has like a nice full-size mix or something in it, and then these are all really good snack size things. There's no little just tiny bites of anything. You know, if you don't taste test it all at once, I'm sure it could last you a really long time. But I can tell you I'm gonna eat these. They're delicious. I might start ordering these huevos because they're really good, and they're made with avocado oil, which is excellent for you. Canola oil is garbage. I didn't know that for the longest time. So try to use, in keto, people suggest that you use olive oil or avocado oil, because avocado oil has a higher burning point. So you could cook with high heats, and it's really great. And there's no bad things yet. Well, I want to thank you so much for being with me here today as I unboxed and taste tested the majority of this keto box. I hope you have a fantastic day or day of your choice, and I'll see you real soon.